my dress torn. Mom, my dress torn.
Oh, don't worry. I've got a perfect solution for you. Into your dress, child.
It got stuck in the cupboard.
Oh, it's okay. You can fix in a jiffy.
You're gonna staple my dress?
No, it's a Stitch City. Fix it anything in a jiffy.
Here you go.
Okay,
Do you think you can fix it?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, what is that?
The Stitch City.
Are you stapling it?
No. There you go.
Oh my gosh, no tear.